Hi, everybody. So this is Brother King. Hi. Listen, it's now week 2, and I just wanted to do a quick little wrap up on week 1. Um, I really enjoyed everybody's comments. I got to almost everybody, and I apologize for not getting to like 2 or 3 of you and responding to your initial posts. But I have today. If you want to respond, that's fine. Um, but in any event, I'm glad everybody discussed. I mean, you guys, we all generated a lot of discussion. We had about 200 posts, and generally we get about 150, 160 with a class of 20, 21 students, 22 students. So um, I think that we're hopefully seeing that we connect with certain people, and that you can also find ways to connect with everybody here. So um, this week, though, you're not going to be commenting necessarily to everybody. You're going to be in groups. So groups of about 4 or 5, maybe a little more, like 6. But in any event, um, go ahead and post in your group, respond to those within your group. It's a time for you to kind of be not having to respond to everybody. It allows for some closer discussion as you work in the smaller groups. All right, so just a couple of things. I have to apologize for giving you guys the wrong links. So what I wanted to do really quickly is show you with my screencast here. I saw a few of you had already commented about it, so I'm so glad you're using the discussion threads, the questions and conversations to ask your questions. So just in the next 20 or 30 seconds, I'll wrap it up here. So you can find the links inside Valerie's thread. So I'll show you what I mean. So if you were to click on her thread, just go to what comes up and you'll see the links right here to readings 2 and reading 3. Okay, so there you'll find the full text. I know that Jane had also found the text, and she'd posted it also in another location on a JSTOR, the online database. So if you have any more questions, continue to post right here. Otherwise, you can find all the rest of the readings by going into the overview. So in the content section, this menu will pop up. Just make sure you click on lesson 2, and up will come. Oh, that's not lesson 2. I have to click on it too. So here you go, lesson 2 overview, and from there you'll find all the reading and viewing materials that you need to complete the week's assignments. So it should all be right here. Again, if you keep running into snags, you shouldn't, but this is why we have questions and conversations, and you can email me. All right, everybody. Well, it was really good. I really enjoyed meeting all of you. You guys are awesome. You guys have busy lives, and yet you're here and you're dedicated to improving not only your uh, job prospects, your teaching skills, but also your faith. So keep up all the good work, and I look forward to your conversations this week. Take care, everybody. Bye.